Hi everyone. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of Indeed in terms of how to create an account, add a resume, and search for jobs. Here we go. So first, you're simply going to go to Indeed.com, and then the easiest thing to do is click Get Started. From here, it's going to ask you to create an account, which you can continue with your Google account or Apple account, or you can enter your email address. Click Continue. It's going to let you know that Indeed will get to access some information about you. It's just my name, photo, and email address. So I am okay with that. Next, it's going to ask me to verify my phone number. So I'm going to enter in my OFS work phone. Oh, there we go. It popped up for me. Okay. And then I have to click verify, and it's going to send a message to my work phone here. Okay, it just came in, and I can type that in now. So you'll have to do this same thing. Submit. Okay, so it's going to give you some options for signing in. For the purposes of this video, I'm just clicking Not Now, moving forward. Okay, now it's going to ask you for a lot of information to get started. You can see that the onboarding progress is only 9% complete. So it's going to take you a bit of time to get all the way through this. So first is just your location. It's pretty simple. And then what is the minimum pay you're looking for? I think that you can skip past this if you want, so I'm going to try that. But you could type in a dollar amount, and you could choose if you want to be paid by the hour, which will be the case for entry-level positions that you would be applying for as a high school student. Per year is really once you're into the career realm, but you could also say, I want to get paid this much per week, per month, etc. For most of you, it's going to be per hour. Let's see if I can continue without choosing that. Yes. And then am I interested in full-time work, part-time work, contract work, which is you take on one project at a time, temporary work, or an internship? So let's say as a high school student, I'm interested in a part-time job. What job are you looking for? So again, you can add a lot of things. So let's say I am interested in being a cashier to start off with. I'm interested in being in customer service to start off with, whatever. Or you can click I'm open to anything. All right, but for an example, I'm going to leave those two for now. Then you need to tell them about skills that you possess that a potential employer might be looking for. So you're going to click which job skills have you already used in any jobs you've already had commonly. So I'm going to pretend, for the sake of this example, that you have not had a job. This is going to be your very first job. So you haven't done this yet. But let's say you're like, oh, I've wrapped gifts. You can find some things. You're like, I've made change before at the lemonade stand. Okay. How many years of experience do you have? Okay. Of course, you would click any of these that you really truly do have experience in. Okay. This is the point I wanted. Oops. Okay. Terms of service. You can click this to read more. Okay. So it's going to start popping up jobs for me now that I've completed the onboarding. So there's all these different jobs here on the left. Whichever one is has the blue line around it is the one that is kind of selected right now. So it's giving me further details about that. But what I want to show you guys is how to add your resume. There's a link right here, but also you can find it at any time under your profile, which is just going to bring us to this screen. And you can click Upload Resume, which you probably have made one in 11th grade advisory, or you can choose Build an Indeed Resume. I'll show you that. It's gonna walk you step by step through information and then create a resume for you, including the information you provide. And the advantage of that is it's highly searchable by Indeed employers because it is formatted in the way that the Indeed software uses. But it'll take you a little time and it won't look as like nice and personalized as if you created one yourself and you just want to upload it. So I click Upload. Then it's going to take me to my computer and invite me to choose something from my downloads or my desktop to add here. Okay, so that is it. That's how you get to this far along into Indeed to where you can add your resume or build a resume. And you saw briefly how you can look at jobs. If you see jobs that you're interested in, you can easily save them with this bookmark flag icon or thumbs down them if you want them to be removed from your list. All right, best of luck.